but it's saying what is the approximate height of the average, average adult in centimeters. So approximate height in I'll say height of average adult in centimeters, so cm. So when we talk about average height, we can't really mathematically solve this. This is simply just something we Google, right? So it's like simply like, oh, what's the height of an average adult? I would say, I don't know, maybe like 5'9" is a good kind of estimate here. So like 5'9". So again, I'm looking at the answer here. It says average height of adult men is 5'3" and 5'9". Adult women is 5'9" to 5'3". So let's say 5'3". So 5'5". Let's do 5'5". 5'5". So 5 feet 5 inches is our average average height. And again, this is the topic of unit conversion. We're converting units from this is from the empirical system into the metric system, is average height. So we have 5 foot and 5 inches, right? So in order for us to convert that, we have to convert that to inches first, right? Because we have feet and inches. I only want 1 unit first. So if I were to do that, again, I know that 1 foot equals 12 inches, right? So I can say that 5 feet over 5 feet equals, or I can multiply that by 12 inches. There's 12 inches per 1 foot, right? Which means I would equal this feet would cancel out. 5 times 12 here is 60 inches, right? So I have 60, and then I have to add my 5 here. So if I add 5 as well, so 60 plus 60 plus 5 is 65 inches. So I have 65 inches is the average height of our adult here. So now we have 65 inches. Now we have to convert inches into centimeters. So how do we do that? So we have 65 inches. And our conversion rate for centimeters here, it says it's 2.54, right? 1 inch is 2.54. You can also easily Google this and say inches to cm is simply 2.54. The formula is 2.54, right? And again, I'm not sure you have to memorize this. You might get a formula sheet for you to on the test for you to get that, so it's totally fine. But I'm going to say this is 2.54, and I'm going to use the exact conversion. This is centimeters per inch, right? Because there's 1 inch is 2.54 centimeters. So in this case, these units cancel out. So we do the operation 65 times 2.54 to give us our cm. So 65 times 2.54 will give us approximately 165 centimeters. 175.1 cm is our average height of our adult in centimeters, so 165. So again, this here is the concept of, again, unit conversion, unit analysis, something you kind of do in pre-algebra. So let's see here what they did. Hence the average adult. So they did the conversion right here between 63.6 and 70.8. I chose 65 in there. So hence the average adult men height in centimeters would vary between these two, and adult would be these two. And I put 165 in terms of the higher end, so at 5.5, where centimeter is derived from the basic unit meter. So that's good. So again, this here would be a correct answer. Right? These I think it's a rate, right? I'm not sure what an average adult is. So, and I picked 5.5, 165 meters. My solution here falls in that range of the centimeters. So I'm going to say here is great range of solutions. Because the question was a bit broad when we talk about average height. I wish what they did was they showed the step-by-step analysis here. So I'm going to say here, I wish you showed these the unit analysis and conversion when converting from feet to inches and then finally to centimeters. But here is solution.